morning from Grant Family Farm. It's April 9th, 2025, and it's about 8:40 in the morning. So far, it's a beautiful day. It's only like 41 degrees though, so it is a little cold out here, but the sun's shining, so that feels good. Good morning, Harold. Why you keep throwing all your food inside your house? Silly pig. Alright, Edith, I'll have your hay in a minute. Oh, look at those good goats. They're not bugging me like you. Happy, happy goats. Now they're really happy goats. Noisy, noisy. Got Spaz and Sally on Mice Patrol.